So this is a king bed. This is a category that you can book here at the Wilderness Lodge. And when you walk in, you have the closets right when you walk in. Lots of storage up and down. Little suitcase holder back there. And then you have this full-length mirror. It's a slider for the door, so you don't have to worry about any swinging doors taking up a lot of room in your bedroom or bathroom. This is a fun light feature that dims. You can turn it off completely. We have a 2-sink vanity here as well. Lots of storage underneath. Towels, you can always request it. Storage on the side. You've got the little vanity top that has more storage for you. And then we have this beautiful shower with a little leg prop. Love that. We got some cute Wilderness Lodge artwork on the wall. We have our coffee station with a little Bambi artwork. We have Keurig coffee. And then in the drawer beneath are coffee pods and tea pods as well. Down here is our fridge for the room. And here is more storage. We have the safe handheld steamer provided as well for you. And then we have our king bed with beautiful artwork behind it. We have a desk with lots of outlet options here. So I'll charge all your devices. We got that. We got more outlets on the lamp. We have the king bed. We have seating in this room. We have the dresser for storage. If you're traveling with a little, there's plenty of space here to put pack and play, crib, stroller. If you're traveling with a scooter or a wheelchair, once again, also plenty of room to put that in the room here. Now let's go check out the view from the balcony. We have more seating out here on our patio. Unlock the door. We have 2 locks for safety. Love that, being a mama. Seating, table. We go outside and check out this view. You can see the pool. You can see the waterfall areas. You can see the resort. It's a beautiful day here at Walt Disney World. And that is our king bedroom at Wilderness